Hello dear explorer, welcome to all of you on your channel Dinoworldtv. Today in our mud ground, friends, there are many farm animals, zoo animals and sea animals. We will clean all the animals one by one by taking them out of the mud and tell something about them. If you learn, let's take it out of mud and clean it. First you have the zoo animals cheetah. Let's take it out of the mud and clean it. Cheetah are the fastest land animals capable of reaching a speed of 60 to 70 miles per hour in short bursts, making them highly efficient hunter in the wild. The next zoo animals you have is a polar bear. We also clean it by taking it out of the mud. Polar bears are excellent swimmers and can travel long distance in search of food, using their powerful front paw to paddle hot icy waters with ease. The next zoo animals you have is the rhinoceros. Let's also clear this up. Rhino are large herbivorous mammals known for their distinctive horns, which are made of keratin and used for defense and dominance within their social group. You have the next zoo animals, lion. Let's clean it out of the mud. Lions are social animals that live in groups called prides, consisting of adult females and their offspring, with males joining during mating season. Friends, we have the next zoo animals, tiger. Tiger are also clean as tiger solitary hunters known for their distinctive orange coat with black stripes, enabling them to camouflage effectively in their natural habits such as dense forest and grassland. Next zoo animals are hippo, washes it with water. Hippo are semi-aquatic mammals known for their massive size and herbivorous diet, primarily feeding on grass and aquatic plants. The next zoo animals you have is the giraffe. Let's clean it. Giraffes have long necks that can measure up to 6 feet in length, allowing them to reach high branches for leaves and buds, their primary food source in the wild. Let's clear up to the last zoo animals you have is the elephants. Let's wash it. Elephants are the large land animals, with Africa elephants typically larger than Asian counterparts. They are known for their intelligence and strong social bonds. Now friends, we take the sea animals out of the mud one by one. The first sea animals you have is the walrus. Let's clean it. Walruses are large marine mammals known for their prominent tusks, which are elongated canine teeth used for various purposes. Now, next sea animals you have is the starfish. Let's clean this up too. A starfish, also known as sea star, are fascinating marine animals that come in various colors and sizes. They have the ability to regenerate lost limbs. The next sea animals you have is the turtle. Let's wash it. Turtles are reptiles known for their hard protective shells that serve as their primary defense mechanism against predators. Now we have the next sea animals, the octopus, and clean it by taking out of the mud. Octopus are highly intelligent marine animals, known for their ability to change color and texture to blend in with their surroundings. And the next sea animals you have is the shark. Let's clean it. Sharks are cartilaginous fish known for their sharp teeth, streamlined bodies, and incredible swimming ability. They play a circle role in marine. And the last sea animals you have are dolphins. They take them out of the mud and wash them. Dolphins are highly intelligent marine mammals, known for their playful behavior and strong social bonds within their pods. Now friend, we will clean the farm animals one by one by taking them out of the mud. The first farm animals you have is a cow. Let's us clean it by taking out of the mud. Cows are herbivorous mammals known for their gentle demeanor and important role in agriculture as a source of milk and other dairy products. The next farm animals you have is the horse. Let's also clear this up. Horses are majestic mammals known for their speed, strength, and intelligence. They have been domesticated for thousands of years. Now the next farm animals you have are ducks, which are taken out of the mud and washes. Ducks are waterfowl known for their webbed feet, waterproof feathers, and quicking sounds. They are excellent swimmers. And the next farm animals you have is the rooster. It is taken out of this mud and clean it. Roosters are male chickens known for their distinctive crowing which serve as territorial and mating call. They play a vital role in poultry farming. Now we have the next farm animals, goat. To clean it by taking out of this mud. Goats are versatile domestic animals known for their agility, curiosity, and ability to adapt to various environments. And the next animal, goose. Let's clean it out of this mud. Goose are herbivorous and they feed on a variety of the plants, grasses, and aquatic vegetation. And the next farm animal is donkey. Let's clean it out of this mud. Donkey have a strong sense of self-preservation and are known for being caution and the intelligence animals. They are also highly adaptable to different climates and territory. हो गया.
अच्छा, गूस का मतलब क्या होता है?
गूस नहीं सीधा. Now you have the last farm animal, sheep, which are taken out of this mud and washes. Sheep are domestic ruminant mammals known for their woolly coat and herbivorous diet. They are raised to their wool, meat, and milk, and are found in many agriculture, Thanks friend for watching the video. See you the next video. Bye bye.